Back in 1961, a bunch of people came together to try to come up with solutions for the inner city with the funds from the Ford Foundation, the permanent charities, which became the Boston Foundation, a couple of other foundations for a couple of years. And right then and there, war on poverty was declared. Community action organizations were established throughout the country, almost 1,000. ABCD was one of the first.
I worked for ABCD back in the 60s. Boston was a really balkanized city. People in the neighborhoods didn't know each other. And what ABCD did for the city was bring all those people together. ABCD created a series of programs and organizations, including the first community health center in the nation, which was the Columbia Point Health Center, the legal services program, the foster grandparent program, the neighborhood youth corps. Most of those programs are still running today.
Well, in the 1970s, ABCD was all about tenacity. We had built up a lot of strong programs. We were fighting to save those programs, and ABCD and 3 other agencies nationally, CAP agencies, filed a class action suit against President Nixon to save the funding, and we won the suit. We kept marching on. It was the summer that we put 10,000 youngsters to work. I was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to be the director of that program at that particular point in time. There were a lot of creative youth programs that came out of that program and a number of other opportunities for youngsters. It was an interesting time.
Boston was having a real education crisis in the 1980s, and ABCD stepped up to the plate. They created an award-winning summer education and work program, especially for dropout youth. We felt that education should be accessible to everyone. In 1987, a long-held dream finally came true. The Urban College of Boston was chartered, providing opportunities for low-income residents to succeed in higher education. And I would be remiss if I didn't commend the late Bob Cord for his vision in making this a reality.
I remember ABCD joining forces with all kinds of different people and programs in the 90s. There was a real spirit of working together. A collaboration with the Boston Public Schools produced University High School. Another, with the Church of the Holy Spirit, created affordable elder housing in Mattapan. ABCD also partnered with the Boston Red Sox to begin the famous Fenway Park fundraiser, Field of Dreams, that has raised more than $2 million for ABCD programs since that day.
One of the great things about ABCD is that it's able to change with the challenges that we have going on at the time in our Commonwealth, especially in the new millennium. You know, we know that substance abuse is having a great impact on our communities, and the founding of the William Osterguy High School addresses the challenges that youth are having. ABCD also started a huge weatherization campaign, as well as an incredible job creation program, us engaging the federal government as well as state and local government, as well as the business community. We were engaging everyone in this city to realize the value of hiring youth for so many reasons.
ABCD as Boston's anti-poverty charitable organization. If a person needs government assistance for whatever reason, and we can help them get into the workforce, they stop getting government assistance to become taxpayers. Over these 50 years, many people got their first start here. There's a community organization. It belongs to the community. It's owned by the community. And we'll jump on any opportunity to help people.